Hey guys, it's Adam from Lilrobo. I figure I should probably start posting more content. It's been a few months. I've just been really busy working on things, but I haven't really been providing too many updates outside of like Instagram and Twitter here and there, or X nowadays. Um, and I do have equipment lying around. So I got this Lark M2 from Hollyland, which actually is pretty useful. So it's like got the little clip and hooks up to the phone and does noise cancellation and provides good audio. And then right now the phone is on this DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal stabilizer, and it's actually pretty neat. So we might do some more motion shots and give you a tour here and there. But I feel like some cool stuff that we've been toying with is NFC reader hardware. So we've got this little board from SB Components. It's called a ReadPi, and it's got like the LCD screen plus the NFC reading capability and a joystick and whatnot. So we were able to get the basics working, connecting to Wi-Fi, reading NFC cards, posting to our server, and displaying some feedback text and an image. Doesn't have too much horsepower on here, and it runs a MicroPython environment. So there's definitely like a lot of features missing that maybe would make it easier to prototype and work with. So given that, yesterday I went out and I bought the Raspberry Pi Zero. And so I'm gonna start messing with this guy a bit more. It's more of a full-featured microprocessor, running Raspbian, the Linux distro. And so I'm looking forward to basically using that, SSHing into it, and even hooking up like my own USB NFC reader. I think that will help us quickly iterate on this next event project that we're going to be scanning NFC cards at events. So like I was mentioning, we started playing with this ReadPi from SB Components. Pretty useful, but I was curious to start messing around with the Raspberry Pi Zero. I ordered this starter kit from Lilrobo. The Pi's the limit. Unboxing. So it came with power cable, case, USB power adapter, HDMI, and of course the little Pi Zero board. So I'll keep you guys posted when I get all this booted up and see what else is inside the starter kit. It even came with a little pouch to hold everything. Probably good for when we travel. Quick start guide. Should prove pretty useful. And a few other gizmos for putting together the case. My plan is to basically attach the USB NFC reader for prototyping. This thing also works pretty well and reads quick, and it works currently on my MacBook pretty well. And then I also got like another case, kind of like with a built-in heatsink, metal. So, and also like a nice little USB power on-off little toggle. So I think between all this, we should have some pretty interesting stuff coming forward. And yeah, the app development for Create NFC is going really well. And today I'll be updating the Shopify store for more use case landing pages. So anyway, I'll keep you guys posted on some of this stuff that we're building, maybe to give you a preview of some of the servers and client libraries and things like that. It's pretty neat. All right, thanks.